Hi, I'm John St. John, the voice actor best known as Duke Nukem, and you're watching the Vlog of Awesome, baby.
Going to stay cold tomorrow. Dealing with the cold temperatures, that's going to set the stage before that system. As it approaches, we're starting to see some of the snowflakes over here work their way this way tomorrow. It's going to be a pleasant day for the most part tomorrow, but by Friday, that changes. You're going to have the snow picking up, two lows, the clipper and the low coming off the coast, it'll be coming up from the south, will come together, and with that, depending on where that happens, will really depend on what happens with New York and how much snow and how strong the winds are. But all indications right now, it will be windy and it will be snowy for Boston and parts of New England. So it will be dangerous to be on the roads in many locations throughout New England Friday night, even Friday afternoon into Friday night. By Saturday now, the lows pulling away. There will still be some snow around in the morning, but